Aakash Educational Services Limited launches Aakash Invictus, the ultimate game-changer G preparation program for aspiring engineers. Bangalore, 3rd April 2025, Aakash Educational Services Limited, the national leader in test preparatory services, proudly announces the launch of Aakash Invictus, a groundbreaking and first-of-its-kind advanced program for JEE preparation designed for the best and brightest engineering aspirants. This elite, high-intensity, personalized, AI-driven and result-oriented initiative is engineered to enable students preparing specifically for IITs or reputed universities abroad. Aakash Invictus brings together around 500 best JEE faculty, offering unparalleled mentorship backed by a track record of success in guiding over 1 lakh students to IITs. The curriculum is cutting-edge and meticulously designed for ambitious students aiming for top IIT ranks. The program features integrated advanced learning and exclusive study resources, ensuring precision-focused, AI-enabled, and adaptive preparation for JEE advanced learning. The rigorous program includes a comprehensive revision and testing module that emphasizes targeted preparation during the final stages before the JEE exam. Students will benefit from specialized curriculum, doubt-clearing sessions, and a meticulously crafted test series aimed at maximizing their performance. Aakash Invictus will have small batches so as to give more personalized attention to students. India's best JEE faculty under one roof, more than 500 faculty members in 40 cities who amongst them have helped over 1 lakh students realize their goal of studying at an IIT, a state-of-the-art tech and all-supported platform to deliver an enhanced personalized learning experience, backed by Aakash processes and systems to ensure high quality and consistent delivery at all 25 locations. For more information, parents and students can reach out at 7303759494, email at support.invictus@acil.in. Mr. Deepak Mehrotra, MD CEO of Aakash Educational Services Limited, emphasized the program's significance, stating, Aakash Invictus is not just a coaching program, it is a transformational journey for students aiming to secure top IIT ranks.
In Karnataka, Aakash has launched the much awaited program Invictus. Invictus in India has been designed for the students who are aspiring for JEE Advanced examination. It's a high intensity, high rigor program, especially designed for the IIT aspiring students. In Bangalore, we have launched today Invictus over 3 locations, Jayanagar, Rajaji Nagar and the Hebbal branches. Invictus becomes the most unique offering for the students in India for the JEE Advanced preparation because it comes with the best of study material prepared by the teachers who have a proven track record of past minimum 2 to 3 decades of producing IITs in India. So those teachers have prepared the Invictus study material. It's a brand new material for the students. We have also given an open challenge that if anyone is having better content material than the Invictus, we are ready to pay rupees 10 lakh cash award to them. Now, apart from that, in all these branches, the teachers who are going to deliver the Invictus classroom program have been hand-picked, highly trained teacher with a proven track record again of producing the IITians in the past 2 to 3 decades. Third comes the technology support which Aakash is providing in the Invictus through the best top-edge technology for improving the student learning curve for the preparation of the JEE Advanced examination. And fourth is the confidence and the support of Aakash itself. We have completed now 36 plus years in India, serving 4 lakh kids every year at 400 centers. So this kind of reputation, the confidence of Aakash when it comes with Invictus, I believe that this becomes the most unique program for the students who are aspiring to enter into IITs. I invite all the students and parents to come visit our branches in Bangalore, understand more closely about the Invictus program and start your journey towards your dream career of IIT. Thank you so much.
What is the admission process?
It's through one admission test. What we are calling it Invictus admission test. It's a complete analytical test for them. We want to understand that what all the area of improvement for them so that their journey of 2 years or 1 year can be defined with us. Thank you.